welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick video, but it's going to make a big impact on this space. I am going to show you how I put together the centerpiece that I put on my coffee table. Now, in past videos I've showed you how to decorate my Christmas tree as well as this corner over here. So now we are channeling in because we are going to take care of the center of attention. So usually I have my white reindeer table runner here, but I've used it over here in this space. So this year I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this, and I thought that it went perfect with this kind of green woodsy theme that I was going for. So we are going to start with that. And see these tags? Rip them off. So what I like about table runners like this is they usually fold them in the center. Is very helpful for getting this centered. On the front here there are two doors, so I know the center is there, but there's also a board back here in the center. I don't know why. So I'm going to start by laying that out, and I'm looking to make sure that I have this centered. Then I'm going to kind of crease it right here with my hand, just because I want it to lay nicely there. Now I'm going to go in with this tray that I found at Joann Fabrics, oh gosh, probably a couple years ago. I use it all year if I'm in the mood to put it on here, but it makes an excellent tray for Christmas decorating because it's got handles in the side. So if you need to use this for entertaining, or if you want to have like game night or whatever, this is perfect. You just pick it up and move it out of the way. So this is pretty centered, and again it's a tray, so it doesn't really matter if it's centered. We can move it later. So now what I'm going to go in with is actually a gift from a friend. It is a set of these candle holders with little Christmas trees on them. They have like the mini lights inside of them, but look at how they sparkle. So I'm going to go in with these. And I love that they're 3 different sizes also. I think I'm actually going to go like this because I have something else that I'm going to add to this. The next thing I'm going to go in with is my Wolford oil lamps. Now, you've probably seen these in multiple home tours, multiple Christmas videos. I love them because they are an oil lamp that gives off the glow of a candle, but it's all inside. Like, you are not going to touch that flame. The only problem is you get a lot of fingerprints along the top of them. Don't worry, I'll take care of that. And what's nice about these being clear also is you can still see that Christmas tree light in there. I think what I'm going to do is something like that. Okay, I'm going to go to the front and see what it looks like. Okay, it's checked. I'm kind of pinched back in here because I want to get everything in the frame, so I'm moving a little weird. The next thing I'm going to go in with is actually some of these branches that are from Shinoda. If you don't know already, there is a section on their website. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up most of the floral and ornaments that I used this year. But I love these because it's white on the front, green on the back, so it's not like overly flocked. But I'm going to take one of these. I'm going to start from the back. I'm just going to manipulate it a little bit, just so we have a little bit of a background here. So that was a full one. Now what I've done is I've cut them into a bunch of different pieces, and that is going to give us the ability to tuck them in between the candles here. I have one that I cut just the front part of it off. And I love this because it's such an airy texture. It's not like a really thick branch that you put into the center of these. Cover, there's a twig back here, part of a branch. I'm gonna cover that. Okay, I'm gonna adjust, hold on. I am not going back there, but I'm going to show you. I have these pine cones that are on like bendy twig things. Now you can get these at Shinoda too. You get a bag of them. They're listed on there. So I'm gonna go through and just kind of like tuck them into places. And literally, this is how easy it is. You just take this and slide it into place. Okay guys, it is all finished and I love how it turned out. It's very peaceful. I was going to add some ribbon to this, but I think I love it just the way that it is. And I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful at night along with my Christmas tree and this over here. So, I hope this inspired you to do something similar. You don't have to have all of these same accessories, but wouldn't it be beautiful to just get some cylinders like this and maybe add some floating candles to it? Or you can probably find something similar to these Christmas tree lights somewhere near you. Pretty much all I did with this centerpiece is just pull together some things that I had. I actually didn't buy anything new for this other than the table runner. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas.